Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Romance from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles up, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's bring it out at the top. Now let's curve it back in at the ends. Now top inside each eye and let's draw a curve down and up. And then let's add a small circle inside on the left. And then another curve next to it on the right side. And then color both of the pupils in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw another curve on top. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows. We'll start with a line across. Then let's bring it up from the center and curve it over on top. Now we're going to hop to the top and we're going to start drawing the hair. In the center, let's draw a curve up and let's bring it down on both sides, stopping next to the eyebrows. Then on top, let's draw 2 curves up. Then let's curve it down next to the eyes and curve it in. Now let's move back up, and in the center, let's draw 2 more curves up. And then let's curve them down. Now from the top, we're going to hop down and let's draw another curve out and bring it in, connecting it to the other curve we drew earlier. Now let's hop back up to the top again and let's draw 2 curves up and out. And then let's curve it down and in. And then let's curve it back up at the bottom. Now before we finish drawing the hair, let's move in and let's draw the shape of the face. From both sides, let's angle it down, meeting at a point in the center. Then we're going to hop in and let's draw a small curve for the nose. And a larger curve underneath for the mouth. Now that we're done the face, we're going to hop out again and let's continue the hair by drawing a curve down and in on both sides. And then curve it up at the ends. Now for the next pieces of hair, let's hop down under the chin and let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. And then let's add 2 more smaller pieces going up like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start on the sides and let's draw an angle out and curve it down for the shoulders. And then let's hop in and let's draw 2 angles down and in for the sides of the body. And a curve across underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw a V-shaped point for the top of the shirt. Now inside on the neck here, let's draw the necklace. We'll start with a curve across. Add a small line down underneath. And a heart shape at the bottom. Now to add the collar of the shirt, let's angle it up on both sides. Another angle up and in. And then one more over to the shoulders. Now top back down and let's draw a line down the center. And then add 3 small hearts on the left for the buttons. And that's it for the torso. Now top out and let's draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's bring it down. Then let's angle it out and back in. And then from the inside, let's curve it down and out. Now let's close it off with a curve at the bottom. Now inside the sleeve, let's draw 2 curves up like this. Now for the ends of the sleeves, let's draw 2 lines down underneath both sides. And a curve across. Now at the bottom here, let's draw the hands. Let's start with a small angle down on the inside. Then let's curve it down and back up for the thumbs. Now top out and let's draw an angle down. And let's curve it in and back up like this to finish off the hands. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and let's draw the pants, starting with the belt. Underneath both sides, let's draw a small line down. And then add a curve across. Now inside the belt, we're going to draw 2 lines down on the left and on the right. And then in the center, a line down on the right side. Now on the left, we're going to bring it down and in, a line down again, and then another bent line out to the left. Now underneath the belt, let's draw the pants. Let's start with 2 lines down from the sides. Now top back to the top and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right side. And then 2 more lines down for the inside of the legs. And close each one off at the bottom. Now top in and let's draw a curve down from the top corners for the pockets. And 2 curves at the bottom. Now inside the left leg, let's draw a heart. And the same thing on the right, but a little bit lower down. And that's it for the pants. Now at the bottom, let's draw the shoes. Let's start with 2 curves down on the inside. Then from the outside, let's bring it out and curve it down. And close off the bottom of each foot. Now top in and let's draw another line across at the bottom. Then in the top section, let's draw a curve down at the front. And an angle down at the top. And add some lines across for the shoelaces. And that's it for romance. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!